Good morning, y'all. It is Monday.
What have I done? What have I done? I'm not the one, I'm not the one. Can feel my feet on solid ground. Can't lose you, babe. Master is smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. I did you wrong, I did you wrong. It's a mistake.
Good morning, y'all. It is Monday. I ain't ready for work, but who is, you know? I'm not ready for work, but who is? I am actually right around the corner. I bought me a burrito and a coffee this morning. For lunch, I bought pesto chicken TV dinner and then a Olipop crisp apple drink. And I also bought me just a strawberry yogurt. You know, very light day. I'm really not ready. Really not ready for the day. But it is what it is. So I'll holler at y'all later. What is up, y'all? I am on my way home. Man, Mondays are always a rip and run type of battle. So I have to get ready to get home in like 3 minutes to join the Zoom to have Skylar's IEP meeting. So Sky's IEP meeting is not because of behavioral issues. Sky's IEP is because she was found eligible for extra help through SPED because of the fact that she couldn't really retain a bunch of information given to her. It took a little process. So all in all, over the years, she has excelled really well. And so all we're trying to do is see if there is plans that we need to keep in place. Like I said, I live 2-minute driving distance from the school. You know, I would say maybe 5 minutes driving distance from the school if the train, you know, comes, or if there's a bunch of traffic, which it's not. So the thing of it is, that's like, this is getting in the way of what I normally do when I come home. Dishes, vacuum, stuff like that, so that I'll have to wait until after. But dinner tonight is butter chicken, rice, and the garlic naans from Trader Joe's. And then I'm gonna meal prep after this meeting, Greek meatballs and some cilantro rice for me to have for lunch for tomorrow, Wednesday, and possibly Thursday, and then save my TV dinner for Friday. That way your girl's saving money, because rent due, car insurance due, light bill due, everything due. So let me get ready to go in the house. All right, y'all, so the IEP was done around 3:40. It took 40 minutes of my time. I literally got on at like 3:01 because I had to get here and log in through my work computer because I use my work email address. That way I don't have to do all this downloading and all that crap again of Google Meet. Everything thawed out as far as the meals that I'm making, the butter chicken and the Greek meatballs. I ain't got no pepper, so I'm gonna have to go and buy some from Food Lion, which is fine because I can get some basmati or jasmine rice. And yeah. I was finishing up my cheesecake that my mom bought me, and I will catch you guys in a little. All right, so me and Cam are out heading to Food Lion. Like I said, I gotta get Pepper, but she's like, get her some candy, and Cam is just gonna grab something for dinner because Cam's not really into like you know, the butter chicken, which I said, you know, that he wouldn't be. So I will show y'all how to make the Greek meatballs, and of course how to make the butter chicken, because it's as simple and plain as going to Food Line and getting the jar that you need, and then getting some already cut up pieces of chicken, or you get the chicken breasts, chicken tenderloins, and you cut it up yourself. So let me give y'all a good meal idea if y'all are putting in a grocery haul, so that y'all can have a good meal for next week. Like I told y'all, they got the tikka masala, and then like it tells you the flavoring on them. So this one's medium, hot, mild, and then they got hot. And then they got like the off-brand ones. They got the tikka masala. When you come for just one thing, and that's pepper, you got it, but you get more. With me, and you'll see. I don't know the rest. All right, we're gonna start with the butter chicken. This is Extra Mild by Charwood. Sometimes you can get it on sale, like buy two get one free. Sometimes you can do buy one get one free. Anyways, you start off with a pan, and you put like a little bit of olive oil in there, because you're getting ready to put the chicken in there to kind of mess around. Anyways, just move it around. Just let it cook for a few, I would say. You gotta hold. You don't have to do it now, I just did it. Hold on. But where are you holding your stomach from? I'm not. Add the sauce. Okay. Let that do it. Honey, no. Just hold on to it. I'm sure it's not supposed to be leaving sticky. Yeah. Greek style meatballs. Here we go. Alright, Greek style meatballs. Got your meat. Gotta get your good old half a cup of breadcrumbs. And you could also, no, wait. Pull it out. All right, you need half a tablespoon of the dill, so you can just shake that into there and then add it in. All you need is one egg. You got any shells in it?
Nope.
A couple little sprinkles of some salt and pepper. All right, you need half a teaspoon of oregano. All right, 2 teaspoons of that. All right. Go ahead. Need one more. Yep, that's good. Y'all, the red onion got to me. It's like, no, it really didn't, but it did. All right, butter chicken, simple and easy. You put it in olive oil, you let it cook, and then, you know, once you see that it's, you know, kind of coating itself, honestly, I like to, you know, get some of the juices out, and then add in the sauce. It's my man. Just watch, it's still cooking. Yeah, it's still cooking. Be alright. I like for the juice to like kind of run out of there. Don't put your hand like that. Sit up. I'd stand up if I was you. You gotta mix the egg up first, girl. You crazy.
Yes.
Alright. Just use the one hand to, you know, mix it up really good.
After this hand is a little bit more tight because it's tough.
Alright, you're gonna finish doing that. Alright, yeah, this how you, yeah. Okay, give me a minute, baby. Yeah, that's what you wanted to do, because it's like it's taking away some of the juices. Alright, see if you can open up that can without dropping it. Nah.
See that?
Uh-huh.
All around.
Mm-hmm. Just put it in. Yeah. Alright. Was that all of it? No. Just let it drip. That's good enough. You just gotta stir it. Alright, so I had picked up some basmati rice, peanut butter and jelly Uncrustable with grape jelly, hazelnut spread, and strawberry spread. I also got a can of butter biscuits, 2 of the chicken pesto rigatoni, so good. And then we got the box of 8 drumsticks original. And we got 2 of the smashable beef sliders. So you can enjoy these as a bite-sized slider, or you can smash them to make the perfect burger. These are $7.19. So we got 8 burgers in each. So that's 16 burgers. Yeah, well.